it up.
Well, I might not be changing the limiter if this thing doesn't want to turn on. Yeah. The lights are on, but it ain't on. Oh yeah, I had it turned down. There we go. I'm not. I'm actually turning down right now. I'm turning the limiter down, okay? She's a bit spicy right now. And I had a talk of myself in my sleep that I probably should bump my limiter from, 7,800 down to probably 76. Because we're playing fire as it is. Game plan. Hopefully one and done. And then the wife can race the rest of the day. But you know how that usually goes. Usually we get 2 passes, then the wife races. So if the car just works, it goes A to B, I hope we just get our one and done, grab all the gears, go fast, break a record maybe. We'll be Gucci. Gucci. Fire this girl up. What's up, dude?
Like a stock motor killer here too, man.
Yeah, we got version 2. We're gonna kill JR of all these stock motors. He's like, damn it, I should have kept the stock motor, huh?
I know, huh? Built motor my ass. No, I'm just joking.
You better get a 999 at least today.
I don't want to jinx it, but of course, I want to go faster than what we did. That's what I want. I'm not gonna be greedy, but I don't want a 9. Didn't come up at all. Need more RPM or anti-lag. Not really. I really want to put on a stock motor, but I need more jam out of the hole. So, first hit didn't go as planned. As you can tell, I felt it in the burnout. It was a little laggy. Obviously, we have a pretty large stock location turbo on it. We need more launch control, but I'm already up there in RPMs. Being a stock motor, I really don't want to launch the car what we do with built motors, so I'm going to also do something I don't want to do with a stock motor, and that's we're going to add anti-lag to it. So as soon as I get my laptop that my wife likes to lock in the truck, then I can go again. But until then, we're just drinking our Cokes. And
then we got Josh Bader pulling in the Subaru. And I've seen this Subaru run really quick. He's out on the first test session. He's got a tune on
problem on the top end. So I got
119.
it started cutting out, and I'm pretty low on gas, so I could have played the rookie move. But,
Oh man.
dude, a 10.5 flat. And if you look at the short track, we went 3 mile an hour faster
Oh, 105.
at the 8th than we did with the green. So it's there.
Dude, you got it.
It's there. If we can get another 30 on the back out there, that's a 135 trap, which is what we should easily do.
Dude.
But something happened up top, so I got to look at the data log. 33.61 pounds.
Oh shit.
Time to turn this bitch
Let's
up.
check the coolant.
Hey, Aaron's going up, and then Alex should be behind him.
That thing will get to Wesco quick from Parker. It's more on Hubert.
Walked out. Kidding me?
I saw that.
Walked out?
I didn't think it was that much of a walkout, so I stayed in it and back half. But damn, that sucks.
Yeah.
It came out 144 60 foot.
144? It
Yeah.
definitely took off a lot better.
144 60 foot, and we went
Let's see that time
It
slip.
spun a little though.
10.6 at 132.
Yeah.
We were down a mile an hour at the 8th though. It was 107, 105.
Turn it up.
Yeah, what happened, bud? You're on 42 pounds. It should be trapping 140.
Holy shit.
You were breaking up.
You're like what, 126, I think?
The limiter is at pretty low. It's at 8,500.
All right. What you doing there, buddy?
We're going full Honda boy right now.
Oh yeah.
I need more air.
Check this out, guys.
AK, I need more wastegate spray.
Hey, do you want me to put the 50 jet right here?
Yeah,
No.
that's what we need. Guys, we're sending it on this stock motor. Our freaking wastegate screen's really biting us in the ass right now. She touched 35.8 pounds. I'm trying to target more, and this bitch won't. So,
Fuck it. Let's do it.
I saw that 10 too?
Dude,
let me see that.
1024 at 137.
Best run yet so far.
Dude,
that's what I'm talking about.
Probably gonna end it there.
Yeah?
Pretty happy of that. Because we took it. That's the fastest stock motor, stock location car that I know out there. 1025 at 131 was the prior one.
Hell yeah.
We got 1024 at 137.
Hell yeah.
If we could just get a better, I mean, we were driving the fuck out of the car.
Wait, what did you do? Let me see that. 1.4?
Yeah, 1.4, 4.2 at the 330. And I was driving it.
Hell yeah. It looked
My
like
phone's
it.
still on in the back. It's all the way back here. Look at it. It's in the back right
Oh,
there.
shit. Oh, you sent it way back there. Come here. Oh yeah, we got it on camera. We got it documented. We got like 4 cameras on you.
Phone needs to cool down.
Oh yeah. Well,
Don't stop playing though.
there you go.
I'm broken.
Fourth gear? Fourth gear?
But that's how hard I was shifting it.
Oh shit. It's that short shifter, man.
Dude, it's just, look at this.
Oh shit, yeah. Gotcha. Short shifter.
You wanna see how hard I shifted this thing?
What?
The trans is hurt.
Sent it.
The clutch is hurt. Yeah, I sent it, but the clutch or the transmission's hurt in the car. That's how hard I was shifting it.
That happened to me on mine.
Right. Make the center console.
The transmission or the clutch is hurt. Get in and shift it to third. So
Oh, even right now it won't go in?
no, you press the clutch in, but feel it. Go from like second to third.
Let's see if he's making excuses for being this shit, Jimmy.
No, go back over to C. 2 to 3. Yeah.
Stuff?
That's why it wouldn't come back.
Shift forward?
Yeah. Just to see it go into fourth and it's the same thing. I fucking cut the shit out of myself.
I see which you hit.
I don't know what I hit, but dude, I was grabbing it. I don't know if it was like me grabbing myself or what, but I fucking pulled it as hard as I could. I was trying to give you that 8.
I know.
Or even a 9.
It was there.
Dude, it was there.
Your first run, that was there.
Yeah. What did it hit there? 53, 52. Another successful race day with the fam. About to go home. I am freaking tired. Big shout out to Chandler for my cameraman. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Anyways, that is it. Shania, thanks for the merch. Appreciate it. Yeah, we'll talk to you guys later. I'm tired. Peace out, guys. I'm gonna prank Josh. Watch. Aw, damn. You didn't believe it? Damn, it was worth a try, dude.
Yeah, I know. No, it was way too high pitched.
Tried to prank him.
Oh, we were trying to make him like, make it little run off.
Yeah, he didn't believe it.